Hey,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, likewise, come on in.
Okay, Jay, so this is the kitchen. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm really hoping you can help me.
Definitely.
What I'm thinking is painting this bench top. I want to paint all the cabinetry, really change it up and make it look a bit more modern, change up the handles. Is this achievable?
Okay, definitely achievable. Now I've seen all the surfaces, let's go down to the local colour shop. I can show you the products.
Sounds good.
All good? Let's go.
So here we are, is where the magic happens.
That's it. So welcome to the local Resene ColorShop. Let's run through the products we discussed back at your house. Okay, so when it comes to cleaning, we recommend the Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner. And that would just be really good at removing all those fly marks that are around the kitchen. Then you need to give it a light sand with wet and dry sandpaper. You're not trying to go through the surface, it's just a sort of light scuff to give the primer something to really adhere to. So first up, we have Resene Waterborne Sureseal. So this is the anchor coat for your whole system. So this is the one you just want a nice thin coat on. You're not trying to achieve full coverage, so don't worry about how it looks after it goes on. After that, we have the Quick Dry Primer.
Nice.
So this one for your bench top, which will just uniform the surface, make it all sort of white. And then over the top of that is the top coat, which the best top coat in this situation would be Resene Acrylic 400. So we've got 402, which is semi-gloss. Next step is the MasterStroke kitchen and bathroom for the cupboard doors.
Cool.
Once it's dry, after your first coat's on, if it starts looking a little bit patchy, don't try and touch up areas, just leave it, let it do its thing, and then apply the second coat over the top.
I'm so grateful for the help that I got from Resene paint expert Jay. This whole task seemed pretty daunting at the start, but with Jay's help, it was incredibly achievable and actually pretty straightforward. I painted the bench top in Resene Alabaster, and I painted the cabinetry in Resene Green Spring. And I think this transformation looks pretty awesome, if I do say so myself.